Risks of staying with the narcissist after they know that you know. Hi everyone. Narcissists can be found just about everywhere. In the home, at school, in the office. They are about 1% of the population in most countries. Now, 1% may not sound like a big deal, but when you consider that most of them can be found in the higher-ups in hierarchies as CEOs, professional leaders, bosses, the numbers could reach up to 10% complete disorder. The disorder would likely explain many poor results in business, such as bad decisions, bankruptcy, turnover, burnout, etc. A good relationship involving 2 or more people requires a great deal of empathy to be successful. It would be best if you also were a good listener when you're with others and care for the needs and expectations of others. But with narcissists, relationship skills like these are almost non-existent. That's why it's perilous to stay with a narcissist, especially after knowing that you know. Here are some of the things that happen. But before that, I hope you can help this channel gain more vibration by clicking that like button below. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell if you're new to this channel. They don't listen to you or others. They won't bother to take other people's advice or accept criticism because they believe they are perfect. If any, they'll crush, manipulate and use you, usually wearing down whatever relationship you have with them. In the long run, other people may leave them, employees, family, friends, partners, because they are impossible to live with. The need for prestige, success and power is so strong that they will sometimes make completely unbelievable decisions. For example, they might engage in disproportionate purchases or investments. He or she also creates a climate of terror, despair, or apathy among his colleagues. Narcissists always need to cut down on others to build themselves up. Even if you're in a fairly new relationship and very much in love, you still look for clues that all may not be well. If he or she is constantly criticizing others for showing how grand he or she is by comparison, he or she will likely do the same to you. And when you have discovered who they really are, they will increase the criticism. Now, besides noticing how they treat the people around them, try to look at their history. When you notice that their past is filled with long-term friendships or relationships, whether romantic or business, where they have inevitably been wronged, then know that you're dealing with a narcissist. When they see that you realize this, they might start easily condemning whatever you do, as it's easy for them to condemn and complain. The narcissist who keeps themselves elevated by putting down others eventually might become competitive, even with you, after knowing who they are. Trying to work through issues or disagreeing with a narcissist is very difficult. This is because they cannot see your point of view and they cannot own their stuff. When they discover that you know them, their extreme defensiveness shuts down their ability to learn, and that impinges on your own ability to grow. It's not good to continue staying with a narcissist, as their constant abuse will eat you down. When you allow yourself to be constantly abused by narcissists, you tend to have a distorted version of reality, as you'll be constantly lied to and manipulated. You'll start to be skeptical about everything and find it hard to trust others, as you have been conditioned to be like that by your abuser. While the narcissist will likely do everything in their power to keep you under their arm, even after you know their actual colour, it's still best for you to stay away from them, or at least create a powerful boundary when you have to deal with them. So, what's your opinion about this? Don't hesitate to write your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. We will meet again in the next video.